Practical operations support for growing businesses that need better control, clearer systems, and less day-to-day firefighting. Many small and owner-managed businesses reach a point where growth starts to create strain. Work increases, customers expect more, staff become stretched, information is scattered, and the business owner becomes the person holding everything together. VR Tech and Systems Limited helps SMEs improve their operations, workflows, reporting, and business systems, without the cost or commitment of hiring a full-time operations director. We combine hands-on operations management experience with practical IT and business systems knowledge, helping you identify what is slowing your business down and put workable improvements in place. Book an initial conversation. Email info@vrtech.uk. Website vrtech.uk. Is your business starting to feel harder to control? You may benefit from operational support if any of the following sound familiar: jobs, projects, or customer orders are taking longer than expected, too much information is held in spreadsheets, emails, or people's heads, the owner or senior manager is constantly solving the same problems, staff are busy, but it is not always clear what is being achieved, work is being duplicated because systems are not joined up, you are winning work but struggling to deliver it smoothly, stock, purchasing, scheduling, documentation, or customer follow-up are becoming difficult to manage. You know improvements are needed, but you do not have time to step back and review the business properly. If these issues are left unresolved, they can affect customer service, margins, staff morale, cash flow, and growth. What we do: VR Tech provides practical, part-time operations and system support for small and medium-sized businesses. We help you review how work currently flows through your business, identify bottlenecks, reduce unnecessary complexity, and introduce simple systems that improve control. Our support can include operational reviews and business health checks, workflow and process improvement, scheduling, delivery, and project control improvements, stock, purchasing, supplier, and documentation review, KPI and management reporting setup, IT systems, cloud tools, data, backups, and access control review, digital process improvement and automation opportunities, support with new service, product, or program introduction, ongoing part-time operations director support. Our approach is practical and grounded. We do not simply produce a report and walk away. Where required, we can also help implement the agreed improvements. Why VR Tech? VR Tech and Systems Limited is a small, family-run IT support and business systems company. Our operations support is led by many years of senior operations management experience, including the introduction of production programs and the coordination of people, processes, suppliers, systems, and delivery requirements. This means we understand both sides of the problem. 1. The operational challenge, how work moves through the business, where delays occur, and where management control is weak. 2. The systems challenge, how IT, software, data, documentation, communication, and reporting can either support the business or create unnecessary friction. For many SMEs, operational problems and systems problems are closely linked. We help bring them together into one practical improvement plan. Our core service, SME Operations Health Check. The SME Operations Health Check is a fixed-fee review designed to give you a clear, independent view of where your business can improve. What is included? Initial discussion to understand your business and current challenges, review of your key workflows, systems, and operational controls, identification of bottlenecks, duplication, risks, and improvement opportunities, review of how information is stored, shared, and reported, practical recommendations ranked by priority, written action plan with clear next steps, typical areas reviewed, customer inquiry to delivery process, job, order, or project tracking, scheduling and workload visibility, purchasing, stock, and supplier control, internal communication and task ownership, use of spreadsheets, software, and cloud systems, reporting, KPIs, and management information, IT risks affecting operational continuity. Outcome: you receive a clear action plan showing what is working well, what is creating delay, cost, or risk, which improvements should be tackled first, what can be improved quickly. Where systems or processes may need longer-term change, fixed fee from £495 plus VAT. Final price depends on business size, location, and scope of review. Further support options. After the operations health check, you can either implement the recommendations yourself or ask VR Tech to support you further. Process Improvement Sprint, a focused 4 to 6 week project to address specific operational problems. Suitable for businesses that need help with improving workflow, reducing repeated issues, introducing better reporting, tidying up business systems, preparing for growth, improving delivery control, part-time operations director support. Ongoing monthly support for businesses that need senior operational input but do not need a full-time operations director. This can include monthly operational review meetings, KPI and performance reporting, project and improvement planning, staff responsibility and workflow review, supplier and delivery issue review, business systems improvement, practical support for the owner or management team, digital operations review, a review of how your technology supports your business operations. This may include cloud systems, data storage and backup, shared drives and document control, cybersecurity basics, remote working setup, customer and job tracking tools, manual processes that could be simplified or automated. Who we work with, our services are particularly suited to small manufacturers, engineering firms, electronics and technical businesses, service and repair workshops, trade and installation businesses, technology-led SMEs, owner-managed companies preparing for growth, businesses introducing new products, services, or systems. We are especially useful where the business has grown beyond informal methods but is not yet ready to employ a full-time senior operations manager. Common problems we help solve. Everything depends on the owner. We help document responsibilities, improve visibility, and create systems so the business is less reliant on one person. We are busy, but not always profitable. We help identify hidden waste, duplicated effort, poor handovers, weak reporting, and process issues that affect margins. Our systems do not talk to each other. We review how information moves through the business and suggest practical ways to reduce duplication and improve control. We keep solving the same problems. We help identify root causes and put simple controls in place to reduce repeated firefighting. We want to grow, but the business feels fragile. We help strengthen workflows, reporting, documentation, and operational structure so growth becomes more manageable. How the process works. 1. Initial conversation. We begin with a short discussion about your business, current challenges, and what you would like to improve. 2. Operations health check. We review your current processes, systems, and operational controls. This may be carried out remotely, on-site, or through a combination of both. 3. Action plan. You receive a clear written summary with practical recommendations and priorities. 4. Optional implementation support. If you would like help putting the recommendations into practice, we can support you through a focused project or ongoing monthly arrangement. A practical, no-nonsense approach. We understand that small businesses do not need complicated theory. They need useful improvements that fit the way they actually work. Our approach is practical, clear, independent, cost-conscious, systems-aware, focused on implementation, suitable for small and growing businesses. We aim to leave you with better control, clearer information, fewer repeated problems, and a more manageable business. Book an initial conversation. If your business is growing but becoming harder to manage, VR Tech can help you step back, identify the real issues, and put a practical improvement plan in place. Contact VR Tech and Systems Limited. Email info@vrtech.uk. Website vrtech.uk. Suggested call to action: book your SME operations health check today.